today, honey.
That's tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow either.
Hurry, baby. After she grows up, it's too much things.
Yep, after she grows up.
And she can't touch the super coffee.
Nope, she can't touch hot coffee.
Yeah, she drink coffee after
Put this in there.
she can drink it after it's cold.
Yeah, here.
Say, ew, that's yucky. That's yucky.
It's yucky. Okay. Here we go.
She just don't like that to do. She just don't like that. That's yucky easy. I love it. I just found my sis. Is that my oatmeal?
No.
Oh, it's sisters? Maybe sisters should have oatmeal. That's not. Oh, it's all empty now. Maybe I need to get more out of this sugar. Baby should have a drink. After she's a big girl, she can have a drink in bed.
Big girl.
Yeah.
Why? They're over here too.
It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting what you say. As we're growing older, darling, I begin to understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting.
Today I'm going to take you through a day in my life as a work from home mom. Considering that I do YouTube here, I like to call myself a work from home mom. But there are a lot of spots in my house that need cleaning on the daily. So I'm going to take you through the day and show you my daily clean routine. I always like to do the dishes. I call them my top 5. I always like to sweep the floor. I try and declutter one thing. I start a load of laundry and then I also try and organize something. So today that's the pantry. There's so many snacks in here that just need to be moved around. So that is my goal right now. Just trying to do things one at a time, not to overwhelm myself. I think it is unreasonable to ask myself, or anybody for that matter, to declutter an entire home in one day. If you can do that, more power to you, but I like to take it slow so I don't get overwhelmed.
I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. 'Cause as we're growing older, darling,
Y has always been my helper. Honestly, I feel like he has just been with me by my side, my little shadow, since we started staying home, and that started when the shutdown happened. So he has always been very helpful. I like to give him little jobs. So he's taking the eggs and putting it in an egg basket because I have an idea for these cartons and I think we'll have some fun with it. I got this Have a Good Day little notebook that has a magnet on the back and you just put it on the refrigerator. I got that from Dollar Tree, so I write on it every day. It has a morning, a afternoon, and a night, so some things that we need to do. I'm going to get ready for the day, head out and run our last minute errands, and then we are coming back and showing you some systems I am putting in place for the kids' play toys. But thankfully, both kids fell asleep in the car here. I'm just enjoying my coffee and trying to look put together for you. We just got home from our travels and we picked up these little flatbreads on sale at Walmart. They were $2.99 or something like that. But there's a chicken bacon one. Hey, chicken barbecue one, sorry. And then there's just the elote, so that has the corn and the cheese. It's really good. So we're gonna dig into that and I'll show you the haul. All right, here's our little haul. I am struggling. There was jalapenos on that pizza, flatbread, whatever you want to call it, and I am stuffy now, so I apologize. I got more vitamin water. I did go to Marshall's and I got a wet brush for Delilah's curly hair. What was this? $4.99. I think that's a great price for the wet brush, so I grabbed one of those for her. I got some Pine Frost Nourishing Hair hand care set. So I really like holiday soaps and I love holly berry, so I think I'm going to put one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen. I think it'll be nice for company that is coming over here very soon. We got some organic sweet potatoes, some turkey gravy. We got triple chocolate muffins, some French fried onions. I ended up just getting these rolls so I don't have to pre-make them. I got some Pink Lady apples. The orchard did not have any. I got some organic golden potatoes, some more juice for the kids, apple, and we like the Honeycrisp style. And then I got some orange juice, and I've never had a wax melt before, and I know wax and candles, they're not that good for you, but I wanted to try it. It's $7, and you can put these little Yankee Candle waxes in there. I really only like candles during the fall and winter season, but I thought it would be a nice little scent boost for when company comes over. And then my mom suggested this. I'm really trying something better for my skin. The Eucerin is oily. My body butter is just not doing it. So I'm hoping this will help. I get really dry skin when I'm pregnant, and then combined with the Colorado dry winter, it's just like a whole thing. So I also got one more thing. Let me come over here and show you. We ended up getting this. I'm not going to say it out loud, but I thought it would be fun for all of us to build together. And now we are just getting into something that a company sent me, and I will share about them here in 1 second. Okay, so a big shout out to Love Every. They are sponsoring this portion of the video, and I will talk more about them in a second here, but I am going to open these up. We got the Play Kit 34, 35, 36 months. It's called the Free Spirit. I cannot wait to open this up and let you know about some awesome educational toys that come in a monthly box for your kids. All right, this is the Free Spirit box. It just has so many fun things in here. These are stacking blocks. Here, let me get everything out for you, okay? Oh, cool beans. Here, back up a little bit. Little sleeping people.
Who's sleeping?
Oh, just little sleeping people.
Pizza!
Oh, cool.
What is it? My book.
It's a cool book. So I will mention I am just overwhelmed with gratitude for this company. As a ex-teacher, it is tricky for me to find a toy that's educational and useful for the kids because I am all about that. We tend to lean towards Montessori parenting as well as education. I was a Montessori teacher and I really enjoyed it. So you may be overwhelmed with some Black Friday deals. I know myself, I know I am, and some of these days leading up to Black Friday have been overwhelming for me as well. But Love Every is doing $30 off the play kits with the code JOY30. I will type everything out in the description box, and that's going to end on 11/28. I feel that this is a phenomenal gift for new parents. It's a great gift to get yourself as well. It comes with this little booklet here to tell you some milestones that you might be seeing in your children. I will say I looked at this and I was shocked. I am not a pro parent, but there are some things in here that I could have used. These are so useful. I did get the play kit that would fit between Delilah and Wilder's ages, and this is a subscription-based service, so you can cancel at any time. There's no commitments. There's flexible payment options, and you can cancel the subscription at any time if you're not enjoying it. As you can see, this works for both of my children's ages, so you could just get one box. I'm going to leave all of the links in the description box down below. As always, happy shopping, but make sure you're not overwhelming yourself. We are on a mission to declutter. I would say my nesting has kind of kicked in. I'd say it kicked in a month ago, but I just have not had the energy with being so sick. So right now I am putting all the kids' summer clothes in this bag, and if it doesn't fit in this bag, I find a way to donate it. But I am saving some of Delilah's just better quality clothing for the summer for the new baby. So that is my goal today, to just declutter the kids' closets, just get ready for new baby. I know we have plenty of time, but I always like to just be prepped and be ready. So that is my idea. I'm going to utilize the closet more. Delilah has so many beautiful dresses, and I told myself that, you know, we don't wear dresses during the day because we're at home all day and they're playing, and I just think that's so silly. So she has all these really pretty Kate Quinn dresses that are really great fabric for playing. So we are going to continue with the dresses, and she loves to wear them. So we're going to do that. And then I am saving some t-shirts for Wilder for the winter time, just because Colorado is so finicky with their weather. And then I have a donation bag here. These are Delilah's long sleeve shirts and pants. And yeah, I'm going to take you with me, show you my systems. Let me know if you have any special systems for your kids' clothes. If you take the hand-me-downs and give them to your kids, I think that is such a huge money saver, especially if you take care of the clothes. So I'm going to get that going, make sure everyone's okay out there. And yeah, we're going to keep decluttering. Okay, this clothes declutter will take maybe 2 to 3 days, but no worries, that will just give me some projects to do up here in the future. The kids are being a great help. If Love Every is not in your budget, I'm going to show you how to make a little sensory bin, and this cost me about $6. All of this was found at the Dollar Tree, but a great place to find little knickknacks like this is at a thrift store. I always find some fun toys there, some old dominoes. Give it a good wash and give it to your kids. Kids don't need to have electronic devices to thrive. It is certainly helpful for some kids. I understand that every child is different, but I did want to show you this inexpensive, useful way to get your kids to build. It is such an important skill to have. I was very happy to find these little connects. I don't know if you played with those as a kid, but we had a big bin of them, and this was $1.25. The kids just had such a fabulous time. And I wanted to encourage some of you to find some of these items for the holidays. I know the holidays, again, can be overwhelming. I use that word a lot, but if you're on a budget and you are on this mission to be minimal, like myself, you might find it hard when there is a constant pressure to buy the best new toy and find the hot new item for your kids. But I guarantee you, if you just take your kids outside and they play with nature, that's always a fun gift. But if you are in the market for something educational, a little busy box like this is perfect. Don't be afraid of the small pieces. I, of course, have that hesitation, but if you find a box with a lid and make it a game, make it a 10-minute timer at the end of the night. I didn't show you here, but I ended up getting these little sand timers, and what we do is flip that and we clean up together, and it's 5 to 10 minutes of our day, and the kids really enjoy helping. So I hope this was helpful to you. I am going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for spending the day with me, decluttering, cleaning, and learning about some educational toys. Don't forget to check out that Love Every link in the description box down below. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and happy shopping.